everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Diane and today we are going to be unboxing. Yay for unboxing. Woo. Yeah, that was really enthusiastic. It really wasn't. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, because I got everything at once. You know how it works, right? You're waiting and waiting and waiting, and then all of a sudden, boof! You open the mailbox and there's like 20 things all at once, and it's like, how am I supposed to be able to do this? So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to make this video and quickly upload this tonight. So it's going to be like 9 o'clock at night or something, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to have another one, which is purely crazy, but it is what it is, and it is what we have to do. So the first thing we're going to do is this. Yes, the gift for you, which is not a gift since I paid for it, which is called TOKYOTREAT. So I've never really gone through this, so I am firstly going to say, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. But back to TOKYOTREAT. So TOKYOTREAT is a Canadian monthly subscription, and so it's really only for Canadians. Still fun to watch the unboxings. There's several that you know, as a Canadian I cannot get, that are American only, like ALLURE, BOXBOX, but I still like to watch the unboxings, so hopefully you enjoy this if you're a non-Canadian. So TOKYOTREAT is, as I said, a Canadian monthly beauty subscription. It costs $12 Canadian plus tax. I think for me it's like $12.80 something, and that's taxes, delivery, everything. And it comes with 4 to 5 full size or deluxe size samples, and I'm going to say that for the $12 I like it better than Ipsy. Actually, I think the products are better, the quality is better, and for me, just for me, the cost is better. Ipsy is $20.50 Canadian, whereas TOKYOTREAT is $12.80 Canadian, and the products are a little better. So it's definitely a good deal if you're Canadian and you're getting Ipsy. You might want to consider this. At least so far I have liked it. So the thing with TOKYOTREAT that kind of makes it different than others is they have their regular box, and every month you get an email, and in that email they say, would you like to choose between one of these 5 Prive boxes? And they call them Prive. I don't know why. Prive with a little accent aigu or accent grave or whatever the heck the grave aigu is. I don't know. But so you go and you go down the list, and there's like, sometimes there's Lancome, Clinique, different beauty things. This time there was a NARS one, and you choose, and then it says you're not guaranteed to get that or any of them. You could end up with the regular box, you could end up with a Prive box. They choose a certain amount, and that's that. And they give you 2 days to fill out the paperwork, to fill out the email, sorry, to choose. You send it back, and this month I did get chosen for a Prive box, and I had the only one that I had check marked was the NARS Prive box. So whatever I got this month is going to be a NARS product. Yay! I don't know what products, I don't know what it's going to be, but I know it's going to be NARS. So that's kind of cool, right? Or if you don't like what the 5 are, like every month before this month, I wasn't really overly fond of everything that was in there. So I just said that I wanted the regular box, checkmarked that one, and left it at that. So it's kind of, you know, you go with the flow, you kind of, and you just kind of decide, which is kind of cool because you can decide like, oh, I like this, and if you don't, you still get the regular box anyway, so that's fine. I do have a link down below if you do want to check it out, so you know, look down there. You shall find it. It says TOKYOTREAT, and it's right there. Yay! I also want to do something which is unusual. I have not done this before, but I want to say that somebody I know, a fellow YouTuber named Lizzie, she last week had burnt herself really bad with boiling hot water. And I would just like to say, Lizzie, I hope you get better real soon. I was kind of been worried about you, and I know you haven't really been uploading all that much, but everybody keep her in your thoughts. You know, go check out her channel. She's in my feature channels. Lizzie's Beauty Show. Hey, Lizzie. Get better, get better, get better. I hope you feel better. I know being burned is just, oh, such an awful thing, and it takes so long to heal and make you feel better and weakens your whole body. So, Lizzie, get better soon, okay? So, now we will say bye, Lizzie, and on to my Prive box. That's what we'll call it, my TOKYOTREAT Prive box. Woo! You know, I'm going to say something. This feels like light as a feather. So I don't have a lot of hopes for what could possibly be in this. Okay. There's that. We see something there. Okay, so it says, congratulations. You've received one of the Prive boxes you have selected on your wish list survey. Enjoy. Are you going to stop, Chanel? Because you're whining. You're whining. You're interrupting Mommy's video. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so looks like we got one thing. Okay, so it is a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I paid $12.80, so hopefully this is, it's NARS, it should be more than $12, right? There's that, and this is definitely the full size. Yes, definitely the full size. Ooh, they got my color correct too, because I am pasty, and this is the pasty color. No, it's not. It's the light one Chantilly, which I guess is the pasty one. Oh, so depressing. Oh well. So this is the full size. I'm going to look up and see how much it is. Okay. Let's look that up. If we can figure out how to use the internet, that would help. My dog is whining and running around and being a pain in my tushy. Oh, it's $34. So this is $34 if I were to go to the store and buy it right now from NARS. I'm going to assume from all the other beautiful, wonderful places that have it. So this is a very, very good deal for $12.80. So although this isn't the most exciting unboxing you guys have ever seen, because I got one thing, it's still pretty cool. But can you guys see the size of this box? Can you see the size of this one item? Is that not ridiculous? TOKYOTREAT. Bad. Terrible. I do get a lot of these cringy things, which I really, really like. And I'm making a mess, and now my cat's going to go crazy. So, this month I got a Prive box. I got a NARS concealer. I am totally not going to complain about that because I did ask for the Prive box, which could be one thing, three things, small things, regular size things. And when you're getting an item that's $34 for $12, it's a pretty darn good deal, I must say. So I guess how exciting is that? Yay for one thing. Woo! Ironically, I am actually quite happy with it. So get better soon, Lizzie. Don't forget there's a link down below. And I know it seems strange, but I'm very, very pleased with this. This is really awesome. Like this is really, really awesome. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And it's so strange just having one thing. It's not like I'm going through all my items. I feel discombobulated. It's like, oh, what do I say? What do I do? This feels so weird. Yeah. But I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I'm very, very pleased because I know that this is worth a lot of money. So I'm pleased with it. So until next time, bye.